Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. Today I'm gonna work on one of my cousin's nails, and I already sanitized all my tools and my hands, her hands, everything. And I am starting to file a little bit the bed of the nail with a 180 grit file, and I'm going to reshape them as well right on the tips. And make sure that they're gonna be ready for the fake ones. Now it is time to choose our tips, and I'm going to measure the tips that I think that they're gonna fit better on her nails. And just be careful with the size. You know, it could be a little tricky, but if they are bigger than her nail, it's better because I can just file the size a little bit. If I do take a small size, it's gonna be a really bad issue later because the hair is gonna stuck over there right on the in between the fake and the natural nail, or it could break really easy. So we need to be careful with that. And now I'm taking my resin and just glue them on. Alright, and now I'm going to cut them with this clipper and make sure that all of them are of the same size, which is kind of difficult without forms like an acrylics. They have forms with numbers in them, or they used to sell clippers with little cases or something to measure them, but I just go with the eye pretty much because I don't have that, and I've been doing this for years and it's easier for me this way. Now I'm taking this 100 grit file and I'm going to file the sides of the nail and the top, and I'm going to make sure that the fake nail and the natural nail meet each other. But if you file more than you need, you're going to end up with no tip at all. You have to be really careful with your filing. Now it is time for the first layer of resin, and this is gonna go all over the nail. And I'm going to repeat this process to the rest of the nails, of course. Alright, now my cousin told me that she wanted a really soft coffin shape, so I'm going to do that now, because if I do the acrylic and all that stuff and then try to file it down, it's gonna take longer. So this is gonna save me time and a little bit, just a little bit of acrylic. The acrylic that I'm gonna use today is this one from Back Scratchers, and it's the clear one. If we still have a coupon code with them, I'm going to link it down below so you can get it if you're interested. And now I'm going to apply one layer of my resin, and then right after I'm going to scoop a little bit of the acrylic and sprinkle all over the nail, making sure that it's fully saturated in every single corner of the nail, and then top off the excess. Once it's dry, I'm going to brush off all the excess acrylic, and then I'm going to repeat the whole process, the resin and the acrylic, so we can have a stronger nail. Now it is time to apply our last layer of resin so we can seal everything in. To finish everything up, I'm going to spray this activator and let it dry. Okay dolls, now with this 180 grit file, I'm going to file the whole surface and make sure that we have a really smooth finish. And to make sure that it's really smooth, I'm taking this buffer and I'm going to file all over the nail, including the bottom and the tip, because we don't want to be scratching anyone. Alrighty dolls, we're almost done. It's time to apply our color, and it's gonna be a really light one. This is from Born Pretty, and it's like a peachy clear, and the number is BP-SP03. You can eBay that. And then we're going to put it under the lamp for 30 seconds. And to seal everything in, I'm going to use this gel top coat from OPI. And also we're gonna cure for 30 seconds. And that is it, you guys. This is the end result. I hope you guys like it. This is a little bit weird because it's my first voiceover. I'm so sorry if you don't like it, but I see you on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah.